Morning, dear students. Hope you are safe and sound. Dear students, today I am going to start new chapter, and the name of the chapter is India Size and Location. So, dear students, today I am going to explain three very important topics. So, first topic is related to Indian Standard Time, that is known as IST. What is its importance and how it is calculated. And the second topic, Kashmir, and why the difference between the day and night is hardly felt at Kanyakumari, but not so in Kashmir. And next topic is related to Indian Ocean. Why Indian Ocean is known as Indian Ocean and why this ocean is named after India. Describe all the things. Hope you will enjoy this video as before. Thank you. Very good morning, dear students. Hope you are safe and sound. Dear students, today I am going to describe very important question. Why 88 degree 30 minute east longitude has been selected as the standard meridian of India. So dear students, this question is regarding IST. IST, full form of IST is Indian Standard Time. So first point is time lag of 2 hours between easternmost and westernmost point of India. Degree 30 minute east longitude has been selected as the standard meridian of house. There is time lag of 2 hours between easternmost and westernmost point of India. It means that there is time lag of 2 hours between Gujarat and between Arunachal Pradesh of India. Okay, why? Because India is located between 68 degree 7 minute and 97 degree 25 minute longitude. So when we calculate this 68 degree 7 and 97 degree 25, we find that there is around 30 degree. There is around 30 degree between 68 and between 97. And you know that Earth takes 4 minutes to complete 1 degree. It means that Earth will take 120 minutes to complete 30 degree. For there is time difference of 2 hours between Gujarat, that is westernmost point of India, and between Arunachal Pradesh, that is easternmost point of India. It means that when there is 2 o'clock in Gujarat, there would be 4 o'clock in Arunachal Pradesh. And you know that what will happen if there is different times in India. So all things will collapse with each other, because you know that time is very important in a country. So therefore it was decided that time that will take place on the 88 degree 30 minute east longitude will be considered as the time of whole India. Understood? So 88 degree and 30 minute east longitude is the longitude that locates between 68 and between 97. There is 4 o'clock in Arunachal Pradesh. There would be 2 o'clock in Gujarat, and there would be 3 o'clock on the places that are located along 82 degree east longitude. So therefore 3 o'clock will be considered as the standard time of whole India. Neither 4 o'clock, neither 2 o'clock would be accepted as the standard time of India. India would be considered as 3 o'clock, because 82 degree 30 minute east longitude is located exactly between 68 and between 97. Therefore time that will take place on the places located on 82 degree east longitude is considered as the time of whole India. So this is reason behind 82 and 30 degree east longitude has been selected as the standard meridian of India. Now I am going to describe next question. Next question is why the difference between the day and night is hardly felt at Kanyakumari but not so in Kashmir. Difference between day and night is hardly felt at Kanyakumari because it is located near equator. You know that location of Kanyakumari is at 8°4' north latitude. Means that Kanyakumari is located near to the equator, and equator is the point where sun rays fall directly, and places located near equator experience and receive maximum amount of heat and maximum amount of energy and maximum amount of sun rays. So therefore difference between day and night is hardly felt at Kanyakumari, but difference is not found in Jammu and Kashmir because Jammu Kashmir is located very far away from the equator, and you know that location of Jammu and Kashmir is at 30° north latitude. Therefore you will find that there is time difference of nearly 4 hours between day and night in Jammu and Kashmir. Therefore you will find that there is time difference of around 4 hours between day and night in Jammu and Kashmir. So third point is talking about it. So we can find ratio of 1 hour and 3 hours respectively regarding Jammu and Kashmir and regarding Kanyakumari. So we find time difference between day and night in Jammu and Kashmir for 3 hours and time difference between day and night in Kanyakumari for only 1 hour. Why? Because Kanyakumari is very near to the equator and Jammu Kashmir is very far away from the equator. And now I am going to describe question number 3. What justifies the naming of an ocean after India? Only ocean that is named after a country is Indian Ocean. Okay, so Indian Ocean is the ocean that is named after a country, that is our beloved India. And why? Question is that why this ocean is named after a country that is called India? So answer is very simple. It happened because India has longest coastline in Indian Ocean and it is near 7,516.6 kilometer, and no country in Indian Ocean has this much longest coastline like India has. Okay, so due to eminent position of India in the Indian Ocean, the Indian Ocean has been in name of the Indian Ocean, or due to eminent position of India in the Indian Ocean, so this ocean is named after India. So this is all about question number 3. So dear students, I hope that you understood all the points. If you didn't understand any point, so you can comment and you can write your question and you can write your doubt. I will be there to resolve all the doubts. Thank you. Bye for now.